Sharks have been on our planet for over 400 million years, but we know surprisingly little about them, like how they mate, how they care for their young, and how they communicate with each other. Today, we're on a mission to put aside our mistaken fears and discover the hidden world of these magnificent creatures. Rae, what a gorgeous day to be here on the California coast, getting to go see some marine life.
And we're kayaking today. It's a perfect day for kayaking.
In kayaks, we can probably see seals,
Yeah.
dolphins, maybe even great white sharks.
And you know that's what I'm looking for. And we probably won't see them from the kayak, but we have someone here to help.
Carlos Gauna has spent the last several years documenting the behaviors of sharks like never before, from a remote, high-resolution camera drone hovering above the waves.
Well, I tell people I'm not a shark expert. I just observed a lot. Shark behaviors. I've learned that sharks do a lot of interesting things when there's no humans around.
Carlos has managed to capture what many experts believe to be the first ever footage of a newborn baby great white shark.
You understand, with your drone 50 feet off the water, you can direct us right to white sharks.
That's the plan. No promises, but we're going to hopefully find some sharks today. We've all been led to believe that when you see a shark, that you're in immediate danger. You see sharks that really go up to humans all the time, and humans have no idea they're there. The cool thing about the drone footage is that it's given me and people the opportunity to see that the sharks are, for the most part, just indifferent to humans. Engines are rolling. Clear. All right, let's find some sharks.
Let's find them.
Dr. Rae and I put our kayaks in the surf and paddle our way out into the bay on the lookout for juveniles.
The Southern California coast, for the most part, is almost a perfect habitat for these juvenile white sharks. I mean, just like this beach here, there's all kinds of things that can hurt them in the deep. So they come into these shallow areas for protection.
Come on, sharks. We just want to peek at a dorsal fin or a tail.
Oh, yeah. A fin or a tail?
Fin or a tail, please.
Hovering above, Carlos's drone can see down into the depths of the ocean in ways that are impossible from our kayaks.
Our line of sight, our vision when we're near the water as humans is quite bad. Even if you have polarized sunglasses, you can't see a shark. The reason they're so effective as hunters is because they're camouflaged so well. They can get right up to a paddleboard, they can get right up to a boat, birds, whatever they want. So stealthy, it's amazing. Okay, I found one. It's headed right to the kayaks. The kayaks are right here. Drone is right here. It's gonna be really close. Looks like we're gonna get an encounter. There we go. They gotta look to their left. Look to your left.
Right behind us. All right, let's just stop and see if it'll get curious and to come closer.
Shark just reacted. Oh, shark just reacted to him. There it is. He's going right behind him. He's right behind him. Shark going right at them. Whoa, this shark's moving with some speed. Look at that.
Right here, right there.
It's right there?
Right there.
You
Look
see
at that.
it?
Oh my, it's a big one.
You see it?
Oh yeah, he looks like
do?
he's 6 or 7 feet.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
You can really see it?
Oh yeah, watch. Here he comes, right here. He's circling back. You see him? Just to our right, right down here.
I
Look at
can't
him.
see anything.
Look at, he's just off your bow now. Wow, did you see the size of that? There he comes,
Oh,
right
I
there.
see it, I see it, I
Right
see
there,
it.
see it?
I
Look,
see
he's
it.
right here.
Oh my, I
he's
see
got,
it.
Yeah, he's got something trailing off his
Off of
dorsal
its
fin.
fin.
Yeah.
Whoa, I saw
Here.
it. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is.
Oh yeah, just to the
Yeah,
right.
there he is, there he
Yeah.
is. Right there, right there. Do you see it,
Yeah.
Cody? Oh my gosh.
We make our way back to the beach to see what Carlos was able to capture with the drone.
We saw it, we saw a shark. I've never seen any shark before, like outside of the aquarium or something, and this was the real deal. Right here, not even that far.
That was incredible. Seeing that shark come up from below, be just inches from the side of the kayak, but not really interested in anything but being curious. trying to see what Ray and I were doing and then gradually circling back again and seeing this almost an 8-foot great white shark inches away is just a thrill of a lifetime. This is incredible.
Watching the footage with Carlos blew our minds.
More often than not, surprisingly, it's the humans that are more curious than the sharks.
And see how it turned to its side? It's looking at you. It's looking at you, Ray.
And I was looking back, so it was mutual.
From the drone perspective, you really see how cautious these creatures are.
Mission accomplished.
Indeed.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you.
Well done, Carlos.
Yeah.